Hello, my name is Oscar Fernando. My last name Aviles Vergara. I am an English student and we are in activity 4. My teacher is Jorge Alberto Rincon. Next, I will make the presentation on my wife. Her name is Linda. Their last name are Pino Calderon. And we are being married for a year and we are very happy. She has 31 years old. My wife's birthday is on August 27. She is an environmental engineer and she has worked on massive fishing for years. She is Colombian and we live in the city of Neiva. She has black hair and is 164 centimeters tall. She loves to dance, go to the cinema, go shopping and go on vacation together. We had two dogs, Chiara and Ocha. She detests lies, the disorder and animal abuse. Thank you, goodbye.